Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we insert an entire sheet, a new sheet in Microsoft Excel project. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see here we have the different sheets. This 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to insert a new sheet with the sheet 5 name, or you can just edit the sheet name, how can you do that? You can just click here, insert worksheet, and the sheet 9 is added, and you can just use this home ribbon and just click on this home ribbon, and here in insert just click on insert sheet. So this sheet number 10, and you can just move it where you wanna move. The shortcuts to insert the sheet is Shift plus F11. As you can see guys, this sheet number 11 is created. Similarly, Shift plus 11, then sheet number 12 is inserted. And the second shortcut is guys Alt plus Shift plus F1. So this is a sheet number 12 you have, and again just you can switch to wherever you want to work. Get it guys? The shortcuts are Shift plus F11 and also Alt plus Shift plus F1. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.